That's a cool looking airplane. Okay, let's see. So I have an app over here. Hold on a minute. I have an app. So it's going from Oxford Airport to White Plains, New York. The aircraft looks like that. It'll be there in 12 minutes. That's the flight. There goes an airplane from Kingston, New York to Oxford Airport. This airplane came from Oxford Airport. There goes an airplane from Oxford Airport. Very far away. The airplane came from Oxford Airport. Here goes an airplane, it's landing into Oxford Airport. And I have no idea where it's going. I don't have my app with me right now. There it goes. Oh wow. Two helicopters. That's pretty cool. There's like a migration of birds going over our house.
Look all of those trees.
Anybody know what kind of bird they are?
I think it's happening twice a year, like They're all going to Florida, or they're going south now. And this could last for like minutes or hours or whatever. There's thousands of birds all going together.
I think that's one.
They're flying north right now.
Yeah. Hope they don't poop on us.
There's a lot of them in the trees. Oh wow. Whoa.
I guess, where that's it? Oh, Wait, did you hear that chirping?
Yeah, I thought it was something coming from your computer. Right. And you see them all taking off from the trees? Like,
There's one like, there's no back here.
No, back there.
That was very
settle in the
interesting.
trees, and it all comes down in the trees, and then I can hear a sound, they'll all jump out of the trees.
Yeah.
You see, they're in the trees, they're waiting.
For what?
If you made you hear them chirping? They're still in the trees. If you made a really, really loud sound, they'll all jump at once.
Eric, film this.
That's not loud enough.
I made some come. Wow, that was really cool. Bird migration. They come twice a week, these small black birds.
You mean twice a year, not twice a week?
Oh, twice a week. Twice a year. So.
Yeah, I saw this a couple times in Bayside.
Oh yeah, I've seen these birds. They're everywhere. They migrate.
They just go everywhere. And they're kind of passing through. You know, it's loud. It's loud for a few minutes. Thousands of them going in and out, and then they leave.
Thanks for watching. Here is an airplane from Oxford Airport, and it's going back to Oxford. There it goes. That last airplane was actually an airplane from Westchester County Airport with no destination. An airplane from Boston to LaGuardia with an Embraer 175 American Eagle. Next up we have American Eagle flight 5654 from Boston Logan International to LaGuardia Airport in New York with an Embraer 175. Way over there. It's actually Delta Airlines. That was Very far, but it's from Boston. There goes an airplane from Nantucket to LaGuardia. Next we have Embraer 170 Delta Airlines from Charlotte, North Carolina to LaGuardia. There it goes. You see down there is an airplane, American Eagle, Embraer 170 from Wilmington, North Carolina to LaGuardia Airport. There goes that Bombardier CRJ 900 from Cleveland, Ohio to LaGuardia Airport. Delta Airlines. Next we have Bombardier CRJ 900 from Memphis, Tennessee with Delta Airlines. They're really far away though. There it goes. Now we have a CRJ 900 Delta Airlines from Richmond, Virginia to LaGuardia Airport. There it goes. There goes an Embraer 175 American Eagle from Cleveland, Ohio. There it goes. Next we have a Airbus A220 Delta Airlines from Chicago to LaGuardia, or ORD to LGA. There it goes. Next we have a Embraer 170 Delta Airlines from New Orleans to LaGuardia. There it goes. There goes an A319 from Washington DC to LaGuardia with American Airlines. There it goes. There goes an Airbus A321 Delta Airlines from Atlanta, Georgia to LaGuardia Airport. There it goes. Up there's a Airbus A320neo Spirit flight. I already forgot it. Well, it's going from Manchester, New Hampshire to Orlando, Florida. You could even see up there that the airplane is yellow, and it's at like 34,000 feet. There it goes.
Andre, it's coming from there.
Oh wow. This one came from Waterbury, Connecticut. No destination.